Motorhead Garage presented by Dustless Plastic. We're burning rubber in the shop today, but not in the way you think. We're actually burning rubber because we're using this incredibly versatile unit from AP Lazer to engrave a tire. Kyle from AP Lazer, you have engraved basically everything except this, right?
Except the tire. This is the first time I'm gonna do it. And the cool thing is I get questions all the time. What is the coolest thing you've ever engraved? This one's gonna be it for me.
So, you know, when we talk about AP Lazer, one of the things that continues to blow my mind every time we talk to you is the fact that this same machine could be engraving a tire, engraving a piece of leather, and then engraving granite if you want to.
Absolute versatility. As you can see here, what we did is we're taking it unlike a traditional laser machine that you're stuck in a box. We pulled out the whole bottom so I can easily accommodate a larger tire in there and engrave and put whatever I want on it.
Yeah, and the speed that this machine works as well, I mean, is that dependent on the surface you're working with? I mean, talk to me about that.
Correct. So you're kind of depending on your image. Obviously, if you have a higher resolution image, I might take it a little bit slower to ensure the greater quality. If I'm doing a text image like this, I can just run it as fast as possible.
The physical kind of science behind the unit is one thing, and its actually ability to do what it does is one thing, but to me the beauty of this is the fact that you're giving somebody a business opportunity here.
Absolutely. It's essentially, it's a business in a box. The way we, our systems come as turnkey. So not only would it come with the laser machine itself, but it comes with all the accessories you need to take on any job. It's gonna come with the laptop, the software.
Wow.
We're gonna send a technician to your location, train you on site, video training, 24/7 tech support. We've got it all.
We obviously have this unit in our shop for when you come in to visit and kind of show it off to us, but when it comes out of the mothballs and we go to plug it in, that's kind of literally what we do.
Pretty much. It's 110 volts, so I'm plugging it into a standard wall outlet. Again, just hooking up my computer. I'll do a quick alignment just to make sure the machine is shooting straight, and then I load my file and press start.
Amazing stuff, man. Talk to me a little bit about the technology that's actually causing the engraving action in there.
So basically, this is a 100-watt CO2 laser.
Okay.
What's happening is we have our power source in the back. A reaction's happening where it's shooting through a series of mirrors down through a focusing lens. So I'm getting a really small dot size so I can do the fine detail engraving like we're doing here.
Well, Kyle, I heard the beep, so I know the job is done.
Yep.
Well, we fished the tire out of here. We're going to meet a family that's actually made a business out of their AP Lazer machine.
I'm here with the family operation that took the AP Lazer to the next level. I'm here with Steve, the dad of the operation, and Thomas, the son of the operation. Now, you guys are living the American dream. You're actually a farmer there in Kentucky.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, how'd you hear about the AP Lazer, and what are you doing with the business?
All right. Actually, my mom and dad saw it on the Motorhead Garage, and they DVR'd it and got me to come over to look at it. And I said, hey, this is a great opportunity to introduce it to my sons. And so we just, like you said, want to live the American dream, and also just, you know, I think it's a good idea to have multiple sources of income. And so we went this route and introduced it to my son, and he was excited about it. So
It's a perfect route.
Yes.
Now, what do you do with it, Thomas?
So when we first got the machine, they were showing us how to do a lot of the software stuff on the computer. And so I was like, well, I can just do that on my phone. So, you know, it makes it 10 times more simple. And then, you know, just put it on my phone, send it to the computer, and engrave.
This is like second nature to you, right? Just program phone, hey, it goes to the machine, everything's good?
That's right.
That's awesome, yeah.
I'm the setup guy.
Yeah, exactly.
He does the computer.
Hey, let's look at some of this. I mean, this is cool. We go from one material to another, and the intricacies are unbelievable in this. Let's talk about the products.
Okay. Right here we got a piece of granite, and then we can go to leather, to also stainless steel, and then we've got wood here. And the area that we're really reaching out to is the granite, doing tombstones for funeral homes and those kind of things. And then we, like I said, can do the leather. We just a few minutes ago cut this out here, and then to go down to this smaller size here. And so that's exciting, and that we can do these different products. We're also exploring maybe looking at doing it on blue jeans.
Tell me about that piece of wood. I mean, this is amazing. The lion, what's in there, the detail that went into it, the big size of the piece.
Yes, yes. The thing about the AP Lazer, we can be able to pull the Z table out, and we're able to do bigger pieces. And so we had a friend made the table, and we also had a friend that called and asked us to engrave the lion on it. And it took about a 3-hour process. You can see the picture, the way it turned out. It's awesome. And we've had a lot of people interested in that and just the capabilities that we're able to do.
Well, Line Designs are doing great things with the AP Lazer. You guys see the flexibility of the AP Lazer, but real excited to go look at the tire that Brian was over there burning some rubber. Let's see how it turned out.
So we've removed the tire from the AP Lazer unit, and you can see right here, I've actually added some paint to kind of accentuate the lettering, but Kyle stepped out to grab some different color paint so we can really finish this thing off with some flair, but it's pretty amazing. You got a rubber tire here, perfectly engraved. This is going to be a great gift to our friend Bill, who just recently sold off his tire shop. You know, we learned about how AP Lazer can become a family business and how it is very versatile. It can be used on all different types of situations. One of our most favorite products here in Motorhead Garage, the AP Lazer. If you're in the market, check one out. We'll be back with more Motorhead Garage right after this.